Hello, good day. Once again, my name is David Adeniji, and we are continuing our series on the THINKALLY tutorial. Welcome to tutorial number 5, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add parents. Remember, in the last tutorial we looked at the correct flow of adding information, adding data onto the system. I started by telling you that you begin by adding parents, then you go ahead and add teachers, you add classes, you add sections, and then you add students. So I want to show you how to add parents onto THINKALLY. Remember that on the system here, it's also referred to as guardians. Now, the login I'm using, which is Galaxy, is a demo login. So Galaxy is a username and then password. I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so I hit sign in. So once again, I'm signing in into the robust new version of THINKALLY. I head on straight away to parents. I click on parents. It's a very good practice to check the data you're going to be needing for this aspect of the tutorial. You need the guardian's name. Now, guardian is whoever the child is living with, in case the child is not living with his or her parents. And if the child is living with his or her parents, I prefer, sometimes I advise you just put Mr. and Mrs. whatever, Mr. and Mrs. as you can see there, previous samples here. So Mr. and Mrs., the child's parents' surname. Now, if the child is living with a guardian, but of course he has a father, so what you're going to be needing on this page essentially, guardian name, father's name, fathers and mothers' names and dates of birth, their profession, email address at least of one of them, phone address, house address, their picture, maybe picture of one of them or both together, but the system has a place to upload just one picture per parent, the username and the password. This username and password, of course we won't use this one. This username and password will be the login credentials of these parents anytime they need to access the system for to check their children's information, results, invoice, pay their school fee and all of that. So in essence, in this tutorial I have shown you how to, let's do a sample. Guardian name, I say Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Father's name, Mr. Smith. Date of birth, you just pick a date and just go ahead, because that is not maybe 1978. Mother's name, Mrs. Smith, and then date of birth, just put something 1984. Then father's profession, maybe banker. Mother's profession, teacher. I love teachers because I'm a teacher too. Okay, email address, maybe smith@yahoo.com. phone number, you just put one for their phone number. Address, Ajah, Lagos. Then picture, I look for a nice picture. I just put something, put a picture. I don't have a ready-made image here. And then Smith is a username, just password also, and then I add parent. Take note that some of the fields are not compulsory. There's an error, that name already exists. Take note that some of the fields are not compulsory. So that's it, there you go. I've added a parent onto my THINKALLY, my school's THINKALLY account. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial, and in the next tutorial we're going to be talking about how to add teachers.